Hey guys, Danny here again with Athlete's Potential. We're talking about standing desks last week and why I feel there's such a good change to make for multiple reasons. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. But what we did get was a lot of feedback about how do you stand at a standing desk, because a lot of people were saying that they were having issues, their legs were getting tired, their back hurt. So standing is a skill, all right? So we're going to talk about it today. So this is my standing desk. Welcome to my office. The cool thing about this one, and I'm not even sure who makes it, I'm sure some desk company is going to tell me after I put this up, but it lowers and it raises up. So you have the option as to what you want to do during the day. If you do want to sit for a little bit, you can do that. But for me, I try to stand as much as possible. So what I like to do is get my feet directly underneath my hips. Okay? Try to keep your feet pointed straight forward. Think about, squeeze your butt a little bit, which is going to set your pelvic position. So that's just going to get you into a neutral position. And just put a little tension through your stomach, right? We don't want to be completely turned off and lazy while we stand. We want to think about standing tall, maintain some tension in our stomach. And the other thing is, we should think our ear should be over our shoulder, shoulder should be over our hip, and hip should be over our ankle. That's kind of a neutral standing position for us. Okay? So when we're at the computer, we should do that. Now, that's kind of hard to do for hours and hours on end, right? And not only that, we're designed to move. We're not designed to just stand like a statue in one place all day long. So there's a couple strategies we can use for that as well. Number one, we can do this little Captain Morgan stance, right? So I have this nifty little wheel on my desk. So I can put one leg up. As long as I maintain some tension in the opposite leg, everything is fine. We don't want to just let our hip drop out to the side and kind of be hanging out on the soft tissue. It doesn't look cool. There's nothing cool about it. It's not good for you, okay? So try to maintain some tension throughout. So if we switch to the other side, same thing. Don't do this, sucker, and try not to do this, right? It's an active position. We don't want to be passive and just lay against the desk. Now the other thing is, a lot of times we tell people to try to get a higher chair or a tall stool, right? So for me, I have this high-low table. I doubt that most people are going to have this. I don't know what you do on the weekends. Maybe you do. But most likely you don't, right? So what we can do is we can actually lean against it, still keep our spine in a really good position, and offload our legs slightly, right? You can move one leg up as long as you kind of maintain similar position as you were standing. Other side, whatever the case is, it's kind of important for us to move around but still maintain spinal mechanics that are neutral, okay? So give it a try. If you switch to standing desk, awesome, good for you. Still thinking about it, test it out part of the time during the day. But let us know how you feel. Any other questions about us, hit us up in a comment and we'll answer it for you. Thanks.